Alrighty, y'all. Now that we've got our sprinkles into our bundt pan here and our pre-baked chocolate brownie cake, I'm just adding in some orange frosting. We are gonna put a bit of these Halloween M&Ms in here as a fun little layer. Perfect. Now I've got some orange cream ice cream here. This is just the Kroger brand. And you can let this soften a bit. Mine isn't too softened, but I am kind of using a hot bowl of water to dip my scooper in over here between scoops. So this is gonna be fun, guys. Halloween is one of my favorite times of year. It's just so great to make themed stuff for Halloween. The kids love it. There's so much you can do, crafting wise and treat wise. And of course, I did see a peanut butter ice cream that I think could be really good in this too. It was a Reese's peanut butter that looked like it would be orange as well. But I don't know, y'all. I love orange cream, so I figured we would give it a go with our chocolate, kind of just like one of those delicious chocolate oranges you get at Christmas time. Yum. Alrighty, y'all. We're just adding in the final piece here. We've got our ice cream all set. Now we did bake 2 separate pieces of our brownie here, and I am just kind of smushing this in to cover. And that ice cream is softening because it's been out on the counter, but we're gonna remedy that by sticking it in our freezer overnight. Alrighty, guys, we let our ice cream cake set overnight. Now I'm just going to flip this onto our plate here. We're gonna let it release. I can't wait for you to see the final result. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be beautiful. Ooh. Oh my God, it looks amazing. And I've just got a little bit of this orange frosting left over that we're just gonna kind of jizzle right on the top here. But the purples with the orange and the brownie, the Halloween colors are beautiful. We'll put just a little bit more sprinkles into this orange on top here. Gorgeous. And because it's Halloween, of course, we've got to put a few candy eyeballs. We need our little monster friends to be looking at us, saying, no, don't eat me. There's a minion, so cute. Oops. And smaller ones. A cyclops. Perfect. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. This is perfect for a Halloween party. I love it. Okay, we're gonna come in, get a nice slice here. We've got a lot of layers to cut through, but that is A-okay. Look at that, oh my gosh. Look at this homemade, gorgeous party cake, everybody. Wow, that looks so good. The orange dream cream with our brownies, all the yummy, yummy sprinkles and goodness all around. Guys, I'm so excited to give this a try. Ooh. Wow. Mmm. 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 This is so good. Y'all, you gotta try it. Mmm.